Packaging a premium product at scale is enhanced by a weigh price labeling system that's complementary in speed, accuracy, and appearance. These are just some of the reasons why Perdue Premium Meat Company selected the NextGen 2115 weigh price labelers from Ossid for its pork packaging lines at its Sioux Center, Iowa facility. Perdue Premium Meat Company is a full-service facility that produces a variety of pork products in Iowa. The company is an industry leader offering all-natural, no antibiotics, pasture-raised pork, raised by independent family farmers across the U.S. In 2020, the company completed a $29 million expansion of its Sioux Center facility that added more than 50,000 square feet, which included automating several areas of its packaging operations to improve working conditions and maximizing the skills of employees.
So the automations that we've brought in and that we've tried to utilize in-house is what job can we take, especially a repetitive job, putting packages into a box, applying a label to something. We're not looking to eliminate associates. We want to take a highly skilled associate and put them in a job where their talents can shine, and then together we can streamline the process.
As part of its automation push, Perdue Premium Meats upgraded its labeling system on its growing case-ready business with the NextGen 2115 weigh price labelers from Ossid. The NextGen WPL machine weighs a package, prints a label with the weight and associated price, then applies it to the package. There's an option to print top and/or bottom labels as well. These often include barcodes that connect with the customer's enterprise resource planning systems to tap into their SKUs.
What these labelers allow us to do is we do all of that in line. We do not have associates handling each package to apply the top label, to apply the bottom label. The Ossid labeler will put the top label on, it will print on the back label, and then apply that to the package.
The NextGen 2115 weigh price labeler can reach speeds up to 150 packages per minute. Utilizing the Wizzywig label design, the weigh price labeler has an interface that allows the end user to view a projected model of the label while it is being created. Furthermore, the machine is modular in design, allowing for short lead and delivery time, and is National Type Evaluation Program approved. Ossid's weigh price labelers can handle trade, shrink, and thermoform packages. Perdue Premium Meats also uses thermoform saddle pack style for some products that require two labels to be applied to both sides of the package, a challenging application easily performed by Ossid's weigh price labeling machines. A key element to successfully matching up the right labeling system for Perdue Premium Meats is establishing communication right from the start.
We approach our projects from a point of honesty and open communication. So we sit down, we listen to the current struggles and where you want to go, and we work together to partner to get to that point.
The relationship with Ossid both ways is definitely one of open communication. Their team has been fantastic to work with, and I see nothing from what they have shown to us that says that is going to change going forward.
It's certainly not the status quo anymore at Perdue Premium Meats. The addition of the two NextGen 2115 weigh price labelers, which operate one shift a day, 5 days a week, have brought higher speeds and newfound efficiency to Perdue Premium Meats' end-of-the-line packaging operation.
You don't really think about it when you're in the moment. 3 minutes of downtime here, 5 minutes of stoppage there. You're thinking, oh, it's 3 minutes, it's 5 minutes. But when you're able to keep the process moving, anything you can do to eliminate a stop at the end of the day is more pounds out the door.